ADI control panel is very sensitive. Normally you just touch it, just quick touch, and you can start the function. For example, you're choosing like a different program, just one touch. If you need to change time, you can do like a quick touch, or you can just press on, and this moment it will increase faster. So if you want to go faster to a certain time, and then you change just by quick touch. So start stop the same. One quick touch it will start, and if you want to stop it, then just a long press it will stop it. During the normal operation, when the time count down to 0, it will stop automatically. And then if you want to like manually power off, you long press this button, so everything will be powered off. Then you can see the panel is like all dark, except there's a little red light on the on off, means you still have the power connected. Then you can unplug it if you don't want to use it for a while. And same thing for this function, quick touch and then long press. So that's the time, change your time.